this. In today's session, we are going to learn sign rule. So let's start with sign rule for addition. First rule is when two positive numbers are added, we get a positive number. For example, positive 25 plus positive 15 equals positive 40. But in general practice, no need to write this positive sign. So we can write it as 25 plus 15 equals 40. Second rule is when negative numbers are added, we get a negative number. For example, minus 25 plus minus 15 equals minus 40. Third rule is when positive number and negative number are added, we get a number with a sign of bigger number after subtraction. Here 25 plus minus 15 gives plus 10 as 25 is positive number. Now the fourth rule is when negative number is added to positive number, we get a number with sign of bigger number after subtraction. For example, minus 25 plus 15 equals minus 10 as 25 minus 15 is 10 and sign of bigger number is negative. That's why we get minus 10. Now let's see sign rule for multiplication. First rule is when two positive numbers are multiplied, we get positive number. For example, 5 multiplied by 10 equals 50. When two negative numbers are multiplied, we get positive number. For example, minus 5 multiplied by minus 10 equals plus 50. Third rule is when positive number and negative number, answer is always negative. 5 multiplied by minus 10 gives you minus 50. Similarly, when negative number and positive numbers are multiplied, we get negative number as minus 5 multiplied by 10 gives minus 50. Now let's see sign rule for subtraction. Here the first rule is when two positive numbers are subtracted, we get a number with sign of bigger number after subtraction. For example, 25 minus 15 gives positive 10 as 25 is a positive number. Second rule is when two negative numbers are subtracted, we get a number with sign of bigger number after subtraction. Here minus 25 minus 15 equals minus 25 plus 15 as minus means minus multiplied by minus is plus. To understand sign rule of subtraction, you must know sign rule for addition and multiplication. Here we get minus 25 plus 15 equals minus 10. Third rule is when positive number and negative numbers are subtracted, we get positive number as 25 minus 15 gives 25 plus 15 equals 40. And the fourth rule is when negative number and positive number is subtracted, we always get negative number. Minus 25 minus 15 gives minus 25 minus 15, that is minus 40. The last is sign rule for division. Here the first rule is when two positive numbers are divided, we get a positive number. 30 divided by 15 gives 2. Second one is when two negative numbers are divided, we always get positive number. Minus 30 divided by minus 15 equals 2 as minus get cancelled. Now the third rule is when positive number is divided by negative number, we get a negative number. 30 divided by minus 15 gives minus 2. And the last rule is when negative number is divided by positive number, we get negative number. Minus 30 divided by 15 gives minus 2.